At Atlas Butler, we're committed to making you a customer for life. So we're offering our air conditioner super tune-up for only $99. That includes a thorough inspection, adjustment, and cleaning of over 25 potential problems. After the tune-up and any needed repairs, we'll guarantee your system is in great shape. A well-tuned air conditioner uses less energy and saves you money. Now that's a super tune-up.
Atlas Butler is at your service. Call 1-800-FURNACE.
Air conditioners, whether they're old or new, need some hands-on maintenance to make sure they get the job done during those long, hot summer months. And as we're about to learn from Atlas Butler, hands-on doesn't simply mean keeping your fingers crossed. We're in Columbus today with President of Atlas Butler, Mark Swepston, and you say simply being proactive with your air conditioner will help homeowners avoid that emergency situation.
Absolutely, making sure that the coils are clean, the filters are clean, and the electrical components are all working properly and they're not old and ready to break down is a big benefit for homeowners.
And having a well-tuned system is also great for the environment. Everybody wants to save money and be green. Explain to us why it's so important.
Well, absolutely. If you take a unit like this and if the outdoor coil is plugged by anything that you can get from anything from dogwood to whatever else might go into it, leaves, different things outside in the time, just dust. If you get just 1/8 of an inch to 1/16 of an inch of film on that coil, it can cut the efficiency up to 25%.
And you are going to make sure it is well maintained with your maintenance program. My neighbor was telling me she saves so much money with your maintenance program. Explain to us how it works.
We come out twice a year to work on systems, once for the air conditioning system and once for the heating system. And when you look at that and you make sure, again, that the coils are clean, we check all of the electrical components like the capacitors and contactors and things along those lines, the motors, making sure that they're there so that they're not likely to fail when it's 96 degrees outside.
There are a few hands-on things that homeowners can do that don't cost a lot of money but could really save them in the long run.
Absolutely. The number one thing that every homeowner can do is make sure that nothing blocks the outdoor unit like a plant or something like that. The other thing is just to make sure that your filters are clean year-round.
Air conditioner systems are expensive, but I understand that homeowners can actually triple that expense if they don't keep up with the simple maintenance.
Oh, absolutely. When you look at the compact of different things and the airflow and systems, we have actually seen where some people that their utility bills are 2 to 2.5 times their neighbor in an exact same home.
We're standing here with the outside unit, but it's also so important to maintain the entire system inside.
Sure, let's go in and talk to KJ.
Sounds good. KJ Loffman is service manager with Atlas Butler, and I understand your phones have not stopped ringing. You are literally receiving hundreds of calls.
And that's exactly right. With the change in temperature, it's been very busy.
I know every home is different, but tell us about a typical maintenance run. What would you do at the home?
Okay. Well, the first thing we would do is we would make sure that the evaporator coil, which is attached to the outdoor unit, is good and clean. The blower assembly is clean, and the client's taking good care of their air filter and make sure it's changed or clean.
Why is it so important for homeowners to have this done to make sure their maintenance is up to date?
Well, if nothing else, just have peace of mind that they know that their system's going to operate the way they want it to, when they need it the most, keep energy costs down, prolong the life of the equipment.
And what do homeowners say to you knowing you're giving them such peace of mind? They've got to be so happy you're there.
Well, they're very happy to see us. Again, just having a peace of mind knowing that the system's been cleaned and thoroughly inspected and it's going to operate when they need it the most.
And they're not going to come home to a hot house on that sweltering day.
That's right.
And KJ, thank you so much for joining us. And just because you have a new system doesn't mean you shouldn't be taking the same precautions. It doesn't matter if your system is 5 years old or 25 years old, you still need to be on a maintenance program.
Absolutely. And when you think about new systems, it's even more important because what they have done over the years is that the coils in the units have gotten more and more compacted to get a better energy exchange for temperature. And so the fins have gotten closer together so they pick up more dirt and keep it more easily than the older units.
Well, great advice today, Mark, and great maintenance tips. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
To ensure your air conditioner keeps you comfortable through the hot months ahead, don't just cross your fingers. Call Atlas Butler at 1-800-FURNACE or schedule an appointment online at atlasbutler.com.
At Atlas Butler, we're committed to making you a customer for life. So we're offering our air conditioner super tune-up for only $99. That includes a thorough inspection, adjustment, and cleaning of over 25 potential problems. After the tune-up and any needed repairs, we'll guarantee your system is in great shape. A well-tuned air conditioner uses less energy and saves you money. Now that's a super tune-up.
Atlas Butler is at your service. Call